Hey, this is Mr. Woodward talking about materials you will need for this unit on electromagnetism. I'm going to show you 3 simple electromagnetism projects, and you're going to need to build 2 of them. Let's take a look. First, there's the electromagnet. So you need 3 feet of insulated copper wire, a large metal nail, screw or bolt, a battery, and a small box of paper clips or something that you can pick up. You see that this insulated wire is wrapped around a nail, and then the 2 ends will be stripped. You'll connect them to a battery. This will temporarily magnetize the nail as current runs through it, and then you can pick up some small metal objects. That's the electromagnet. Second project is a simple motor. Similar materials, you still need 3 feet of insulated wire, but now you're going to loop that wire into a coil, and you're going to extend the ends so that it kind of looks like a wheel with a axle on the end. Those 2 ends you're going to strip so that they can make electrical contact with a safety pin, and then you'll connect that to a battery which has a magnet above it. Here's another design using a cup. The magnets are still right below the coil, but now there's some paper clips out here, and then these are some alligator cable clips that are connecting back to a battery down here. The third project is to build a cup speaker that you can hold up right up to your ear and hear the music that is being played from, here's an old school Walkman or a smartphone. Similar materials, still 3 feet of insulated wire that you will coil into this thing on the back, which is called the voice coil, but then you're going to put it directly on a cup. You'll tape it to a cup, and then you're going to put those magnets against the coil and then connect it with an aux cable back to the music player. So for this one, you'll need an aux cable that you can cut and strip. So here's a summary of all the materials that you'll need. Many of them you may already have, but some that you will need to potentially buy are the 3 feet of insulated copper wire. 20 to 24 gauge is the range of wire that you should be using for this. That describes the thickness of the wire. 20 gauge is 1/20th of an inch in diameter. 24 gauge is 1/24th of an inch in diameter. I recommend either magnet wire, but you'll have to get that on Amazon, or doorbell wire, which is sold at most hardware stores for like 30 cents a foot, super cheap. Another hard to come by material is going to be the magnets. You may already have some really solid magnets on your refrigerator. If you don't, you can pick those up at a hardware store or online. D-cell batteries, and then an aux cable that you can cut and strip the wires from the inside. So here's some stuff that's available at Ace Hardware. That's that doorbell wire. That's about 29 cents a foot. And then here's some magnets. They also have 3-foot aux cables, which were $4.99 last time I checked. You can also shop on Amazon batteries, aux cables. Here's that magnet wire, and then ring magnets. You can also use just regular disc magnets. So go buy your stuff as soon as possible. Thanks.